Hello and welcome to our Install Eclipse with BW Modeling Tools installation video. This year we have our Eclipse already installed with the correct SAP tools. We are using Eclipse 2024-09. It is not the most recent version of Eclipse, but it is new enough that we can expect it to work similarly. If you prefer to use a different version of Eclipse, reach out to me and we will figure out what SAP file you will need to use to add your tools to that version of Eclipse. So with this, we will already have downloaded our SAP GUI and linked it to Office. We will now download the Eclipse installer file. This link takes you to the UCCUWM file, but I will put a link and have it in my Google Drive. And if your browser does block this download, you click the three dots and say keep anyway. You can do this either with your virus scan or through the browser. Since this is a brand new file, Microsoft has not had the ability to um, mark it as secure. So this is why I'm offering the ability to download the file from my Google Drive so that you know that it is a safe file. So inside the folder, I have downloaded it already. It is in downloads. Let's go there. Here's the file, and the instructions have us right click the exe and set the properties. Let me put this onto the side, and then I'll put the instructions right here. And we'll go to our properties, and then we want to unblock it if it has become blocked under the security tab. This is what it will look like under general, and under advanced. There may be a blocked if it's not immediately here. It is not blocked on my computer. It is, however, blocked on my work computer. And again, depending on your virus programs, you may run into this issue. And then you click apply once you've changed the settings. And then you double click on the file to open it. And it will run through the regular install process. And it may take a long time or a short time depending on the speed of your computer and the speed of your hard drive. Once it's installed, you can open Eclipse, and I'll run through that real quick here. I generally put a year in my Eclipse workspace files so that I don't confuse them year to year, and then you should be done. So I have already installed it once, so I will run through the installer again real quick. I like to add the 2024 to keep all the course years separate. And we'll have our welcome window, which will have some information if you want to go through it, overview and tutorials. And then we can close this. And then here's our release notes for the software that was installed during the creation of the installer. And then we want to be able to create a BW project in the business warehouse, and we are able to do that. And then this will start our first lesson, 3.1. Thank you.